Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquet on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I do this crocheted bun-out hat. It's a very quick and easy pattern. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel down below by pressing the subscribe button. Tap the bell so you be notified when I post a new video. So let's just get started. I'm going to be using a size 4 worsted wool yarn, and I'm using my 5.00mm hook. And you're also going to need hair ties. So as you can see, I've already tied my knot on my hairband, and you're just going to pull up and make a chain of 50. Also, it's completely optional. It just depends, like if you really want to be rolling your hat up or if you just want it to be a fitted look. I kind of like the slouchy but not really slouchy look, so I chained 50. Once you do that, you're going to skip the first stitch, and in the second chain from the hook, you're going to insert a half double crochet. This pattern can be worked in single crochets, half double crochets, whatever you want. It's just completely optional. I like to do half double crochets. But you're going to have double crochet all the way until you reach the tip where the hair tie is. Just be extra cautious that you're paying attention to your stitches. You don't want to skip any stitches because that can result in your work looking lopsided. After you insert that last stitch, you're just going to slip stitch onto the hair tie. As you can see, that's what I'm doing now. And once you slip stitch to the hair tie, you're going to chain 1, flip your work, and you're just going to repeat the same exact thing. Half double crochet all the way to the end of your work.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Once you reach the end of your work, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to half double crochet all the way back, and you're just going to slip stitch into the circle again, chain 1, and you're going to repeat this for a total of 43 rows.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
As I said before, you're going to repeat this for a total of 43 rows. It also just depends how big your head is. Ideally, you want to do between 40 to 42, 43-ish rows. Or really, just to make it even easier, you want your length of your hat to be about 16 inches. So that's what I did. Now I'm just going to attach my work back once I have it done. And you're just going to slip stitch from one side to the other. So as you can see, I'm inserting my hook on one side, the back loop preferred, and then you're going to insert to the other side, and you're just going to slip stitch your work all the way down. Slip stitching your work down to the end instead of single crocheting it just makes it look a lot better and not as bulky on your seam. You want your seam to be really seamless. Once you reach the end, you just want to chain 1, cut off and fasten, and just go back and sew in all of your loose ends to make sure you don't have any scragglies just hanging out. Flip your hat inside out and you're done. This is the finished product. The elastic hair tie just helps it stretch and not be as worn out, I guess you could say. And you can also flip it up, do whatever you want to do, and style it out. Thank y'all for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.